company that we can lean on. Minsan naisip ko, kaya ako nirito kasi alam ko na kahit kailan meron akong mga taong sasandalan at hindi ako iiwan. A company that push its employees to their fullest potentials. Dahil sa Anchor, nagawa ko yung mga bagay na hindi ko naisip na magagawa ko. A company that is well-rounded and innovative. Laging may bago na dapat mong abangan. Ideas, improvements, lahat. Hindi talaga magpapakuli. A company who gives back to the community. Ibang ligaya ang nararamdaman pag nakakatulong sa iba. Simpleng bagay pero ibang saya. Company that strives harder to build more connection. Palaki ng palaki ang aming pamilya habang tumatagal, mas tumarami at mas sumasaya. Anchor is more than just a company. Anchor is our family.